After many years of service, you may notice your moldings between the headlight bezels look scratched, faded, corroded, or possibly even just plain missing. You'll want to get them replaced with an authentic reproduction. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1969 Chevelle and El Camino molding between the headlight bezels. These are the small aluminum moldings that go between the headlights. Our moldings are manufactured from extruded and formed aluminum reproductions that are identical to factory GM originals. We use case-hardened steel tooling for accurate fitment. At the end of the production line, all moldings are polished and anodized, giving it that mirror-like appearance. Anodizing helps prevent corrosion of aluminum, so your part will last for many years to come. In addition, they also feature the correct threaded studs for a straightforward installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.